because what you ma get what there.
So yes, I need David Oni.
Only the whole family want to know. Te Omomebo gele get what do.
Yeah, I'm not that for it.
Well, okay, Mr. Jerry la omite sadwe baba.
And what call him ye Jija him and David.
Okay. Mr. Jerry. Mr. Jerry.
First say na hin. Wa muda na do ya yime ya hin o hin muda.
O se na unu pe record so ba.
Ide baba ide. Na do ya wa muda pra Jerry.
Okay.
Me go ti wenu. Wa ma pade ti do ya me ya hin o hin agbon ya fe. Enu wa vie mo hin ri me be vie mo hin. Da bo si me no de me yi si me ape ni bune.
I must say when you dawe ni omoja yakin. Yamanu.
Omoja.
Yamana omoja. Kenya ege na keko ya pe record David.
We dame ho ne Jerry tami ma omano guana.
Ita ati wa omenwa are life.
Iya betie. Ba gume kporo na pa oh
when you want to bro hello
yeah tie many men wait wa mudia
talk one thing
mama easy abeg 1 minute mama easy abeg you
talk what they talk so I want the Balkan bros about Omomebo because yes because I was at the party I was there with her in Nigeria both David and her. I even stayed in their house. I spent 2 days with them in their house. You understand me? I was at the party. That was not that on your season. And Niatana on your season at all. On your season because you got at the party. Even the play. I was there. You understand? Because let's call a spade. Everybody have to be speaking the truth right now. Because now it matter to take Guayame now because when you get Guayame, when you get and I have no serious on him, brother. Let me say it. What happened? What's new? We Magari Nigeria neighbor with birthday, brother. I went there, was there in the party. I don't know because you never imagine your friend you know imagine my friend I don't you to be remember to remember time me where our friend this man and okay. Oh, matama very only because here oh there go asunu we must tamame. Enti no really asunu because I must go. She must tell me, he must tell me, I must know. So I take very only. So the only thing not where I remember giving attention me partini what that's give me attention or ma dey honest one mo no I go to the babalawo go la.
That means Mr. David will Omomebo marry attention here me partini.
We are gbegbe like our filigo or ma giving attention understand you know abule babalawo go e dey ore no ina la o abeg say e dey ore no ina to mu e dia lawo go get we ina wa digo na wa himie o ma ho na to ta one corner ki ma pa si opa ona ga mo na wa tile bo ti on ina wa tile mu na bo mo la go do ya himie oni we egbe wa we no bia na e ya ga we mi o give on mu to bole ni o ga wo ge ni mu to bole le no stem ya e mi wa tile mu wa bo to mo be no the virus no oge no wa bole la go do ya bo mo be no ya mi ta fun e o e da me mo ge oni wa pa oni wa but the video so no the mo on wa mo kire mo na wa gbe on wa ri e wiku o la lelebe on we ni wa ke we na wa fi go to wa yin ta fun we gele on wa mo na ka te charge o wa charge wa te mo wa charge me na to we on right now I'm going on wa gele fi go to we ko na fi go to na ko na o we ku na gbe on wa fi go to na so an in a public place. On so him ta phone. Only me phone na pa me na re ogun ya love here. Because they come and stay, you just want me 2 days ago. Ina re ogun ya love here. So me wa ke so go wa to love me ma to we. Oh mommy wo we. Mommy walking. O do ke sagi no wa to love mu la dian wo kwa. Me wa ke ina me wa ya re palo wa ke sagi wa vun. No Jesus. Baba wo sunu, yi gbunu je ni baba tie. Baba wo sunu owa gun egbe la dian owa fi moto mi no ya fi moto to is fact me ga go kin ewu ne mi le wa ti mo me bo working only wa be chat bo do ni wa je na owo yen re hotel But I are talking between God and mine. A little man of my work, there's no my work. It will go. Landlady, you know, no let me arry a do. You know what? You go in and go like baby 6,000 something. No women. €200. You want remember not do it, but one. You don't want to not do it. Man, on how you go. That will matter now. So, Manawa Ladia. Oh, na kana gas around 2 o'clock. I be around after 1. Manawa Ladia. Oh, we are. Hey, I don't know why I've been soon. My. On peut voir oui hôtel ni Kenya we party moi wa mo keke na pe ina we abele wa so keke na pe na we oga because we be we one mu me aka we bore ni imoto egu me ina wa keke na pe na we ma ya block be so ni tima ma that's ma ya blocking ya ina we tin tima ya mu for the night brother ya talk yeme na tin ha mu for the night so the man okay ha pay ni ina wa ma me go na ma ya shawo na me go that's the why ya come here ma shawo na ma go ya
mo for the night understand for the break
oh in a way my ya block it ya hotel my ya block up ya hotel
don't wait that man wait that man
ole keke na pe ole keke na pe ole my ya block up ya hotel na oh you must stop e hotel me ya block Omomebo no wina keke na pe no wina me ma ladi upo mana mu e hotel understand so I'm not to drop him. I'm not hyping him. My pay we. So me was sevani me wa Omomebo saki wa bo but me let the rush money arrière hospital. Boss unu Omomebo to ta egbe ya ba go ya voto. Boss unu me na wa go boss unu ogwe ge no sunu o ti ga arrière ba si na o ni ri nya be ku e. Can you go to the way me wa la ga after wa be beg e me wa la wa be ade wa be talo ko yen. O gwe ọtí náà wà tàwa ọ̀hún yọ̀gọ́ yà fàyàn mẹ́ ọwọ́ ọtí náà wà dájì ọtí wà dájì ọ̀nà yọ̀gọ́ yà sọ̀tíyàn ọ̀bọ̀ bẹ̀tì rẹ̀ bá wọn yà tàlọ̀ màmẹ́ mi tánà náà ni mẹ́ àwọn mẹ́sẹ̀ mi tán wẹ̀ náà so wọn wà yọ̀gọ́ yà fàtíyàn bọ̀ ọwọ́ yọ̀gọ́ fàtíyàn bọ̀ ọwọ́ dènà ọwọ́ ìgbàmùnà agbé ni yà àríyé bẹ̀ ayé eléwé yà fílíngẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀nà wà dègbọ̀ ọ̀hún yà ìfà ìlànà ìsàlọ̀ bua so ẹ̀dẹ́ ìgbé mọ́tò àríyọ̀ wà mẹ́ ìsò wá ne makana era me mwe e ba de ju hun ya treat ene otion ya ya station bo otion be hospital no bo otion me boneke le lagbo diyan no mo be simi so ma do total aveti David na do re aveti era me na do re I'm sorry to say that aveti era me gire ma do gwa eme na ma do agwe era me gwigwa baba ene we ogun na tu agbe na adaze wo lo koko ogun kwa na ba ogun na do tu agbe wetin o se agbera was gele to gwegu ya se gbe engineer email no le maybe akin agbera to gwegu ona to gele take mistake we gele me mistake ona to ime wo kan o na Omomebo kun ye give he gwe kin ye gwegu yen e marriage na so e wa la mu le yin ya ga we mi ye ha pa di marriage re ye meti gwegu yen o gbin yen wa na do ime me do re pe Omomebo na bo sunu ai mi ma be mi awe de nu ta we wa pa me do agwegu agbera do he gwe na to na do pa that the next day me ya pari eko me to ro yiro me ya hwie ma wuya do eri o me to ro yiro me ya hwie so me wa seko me
no set 200 wo na we the matter
me no ya hwie brother it the ma we ba na do eri but I don't know if the time me we you go be miss so understand I let them know so me to pa na do eri ko we ya seko e mo wa ya tie me imani sunu de ni ma ni be na o wa tie we yes sister yes am about attack David say they beat the break here no, I don't hear that one. No, never be the house for the corner. Nothing like that happen. No, me never tell me. Nothing like that happen. Understand? Because you to disclose not so man, the woman. Yeah. No, nothing like that happen.
Maybe the video quick time here we are brother attacking so near we blame you.
I don't know. So me never tell we of good animal is soon. I start some days they go like tell me when we can about to koko gbe na va una. Hey, me I don't know that one. No, that kind thing no happen. Understand me na hewe so this matter no sunu na is no sunu na brother Dave you have we no fear I don't care I don't give a f understand every vare all kind what says on in fear no man or what says so all we better
explain this me answer
every vare no fear no man like that's we birthday party ogirame or you birthday party because on we April ya we so a girl pa on we e ba ma ye marry e ba e ma woro na on okay Omomebo na tama we ya mu e ba e gue ya mu Friday si go no ke ya ze gue bo on okay so we era me kaka mi we I feel ba yin no ma understand o ka ka me be to be down
Aí não massa, mas
the text no me bota me we era me ka me we afie ba yen no ma e no that me na no o ma ka me ba o we obi e we kina na okay so ona do fear again na Canada ho e what time any o but this thing happened last year April we have fear any gioma that's according to no mo bota me o if fear any because you have judge me no you have judge me because me ya set on ya every time you understand me now so na do time I work owe mo na le boy ni owe mo mebo na we owe bo na do me le bo ni gata owe e be na do ta we e wori ya wo ka meze ba e mugwe wo ko wa de o kana itama wa nye zegie ne owo na we ha na wa ti wa gbo wa ti gbinye wa owo na ka me we wa mo be re ba ni e be fia no he like ti gbo na ne wo siezo understand me na so like that let ya lao zoni lao ma na bi ari ogwe na bi aseto yan baba la wo lao if you are time the carry home boy if you gwegwi iwe la wo ma be hewe then ono na ide we osoma lad ona wetin so ya we to ge osio pa na te hon ni yen we ra be osio ni na te hon ni na iya ku understand we to so ya wetin so ya we to so what can you say shobi ona so atalo o ko mani ate mama mebe o ga re so no we won me gbe mama mebe si o ma do ri e ba ene bla 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 no we de mama mebe do eja wa no ha do ri e ba ene understand so I will not tell any phone already they never we are pick up na gbe sun again so this me mama mebe na mana boy e de ari owa mana ya yin mi ko no la go no hewe me wa o ma ga mo phone me gi ti o ma mo phone me because after a birthday here a birthday maybe no so me gi Nigeria re me na mo mebe na dawo ke gi mala dani mu wa re de maria re and it's my birthday man just women only 4 women na fi aro ifave bagbe mana akian so obere the video me ti o ma gi mo phone me no take me gi ti o na mo ke na tell me mo me understand na okay na ya yet the gweta lo na we ya zin gbe so e den agbe ma wo ko na ti mama mebe ma do bu ari wa ma ibu eso wa ma do yin mi ayin ma do gwegun ala ina egbe na ya wo me na italo bu le baba le we give you omomo anyway again na we do we do we here ga mo ko bo na e we omomo ma do yin mi ayin mi ona do ma be ten le fana do he we na baba no ri na we bi ari e 20 euro ne no ya ari no 100 euro every month owo ni a logo ina ma 20 euro no be ari every week owo yen le no ma me na here we say
when we no ri 20 ne Omomebo no ya ri ba
no be ya de no like ibo wa owo ni a logo we yen le so ma get tell for the man do hewe me na ma be go yen na pa not know where me na ye escalate or ye pujo me wa ga mo be wa tie me o wa tie me o wa tie wa ta lo te bo me wa je me na me voice na me be gun me wa zege me wa se ba ni me lai because me kan na me ha na the next day me wa se ba ni me lai me wa tule mu buyan me wa zege stop motor no ga di no ko no nya motor ni o wa zege wa mo me se ba me mo me bo ni wa ge we na o ya ni we na o ja la ni wa so na we no la ela me ha ka ma me o we me ma we me ge gun ajo that is meaning where ikata we that is now we na afford the makajo we na e me na afford but then na we ire do gun ya mu kwa o so no do use statement ni me we ma we me ire do gun ajo na okay that means man na my welcome me be e matter na understand so man mo bo na wa ta ma me we mama understand me na you want to talk as a big thing where era me tie where we no big ni me understand but ma take care because if you okay maybe normal thing no you might need to take as an offense so when people like say I tag where woman ni big ne is you go me na we to me gunwe geta na la de na mo na geta na la dia so people do pack me no ga arriba e ma bo gwe ri mi pa la wi moto ave person no be arriba gwe we mi la wi moto do ya pa ever since the next day na pa Nigeria so this Nigeria after 2 days na do tie me away you go na ko baba na to eku na to away ina we Aiku me go na e by na e be jona we Nigeria we te we na e be jona we o te we do ta mo be no do pa o wi yen na mo la wa we a ni hala ka me no pa wa we e mo la wa we amati ka me no pa we to we ta me no pa wa we understand me na so me we face a problem me be in Nigeria so me ya we be say ewebo me marriage a shop because he's it away or kaka we we gun ajo understand and the way we no be time no only be the next let me just stay away from the matter. Mommy wouldn't stay away from Omomebo or stay away from David.
My sister, he said, "Everyone will tell us, Sinana, the man David, or my time with all this way, Omomebo, or my tennis is dead."
Oh no. Ah, brother, Baba, I'm in the picture now. I'm going to tell me anyway. Okay, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Nothing like that, bros. Nothing. They tell you I sweat down. Nothing like that.
That means Omomebo man. That means how I don't know what the image
I don't know, bros. I'm even like a brother Jerry, like he was saying, well, come here, okay. Nothing like that, bros. Nothing like that.
Okay, that means the man because if my own Mama Aiku or way the man don't tell me away the Omomebo okay.
Imagine anybody like anybody to
Aga iti o masha wo nepa de no ni kiji. Me na go na. That
one is testing.
Mama Aiku kazegbene mudane why what of we muda because Mr. Jerry Remartiano Mr. Jerry la meet side way.
Hello.
My brother Wato. My brother, a matter twen atana. Or twen no bia. Or who no you wa. Or accuse we be bay no mama. That means when you man the media na my like we no wage when you my the media we okay we man if you do the media we not the like say we see any woman way if you not the husband you be single you can chop any bola way you like. Any bola way you like, but if you don't do us mass, they don't pay your bride price. You can't go past corner, go they chop again. We know there are people. We they always saga those people. We're in my media now.
Not bad on. The priest.
So my only the matter at it your twin because it's here.
The priest.
The matter at it your twin because area na family Omomebo Moina.
Yeah,
area na near na we Omomebo Wodo. This is the area the family of Moina. We trust or tia mage Wodo there. A mistake katakata na rene or the game misunderstanding uduta we mage misunderstanding. When do more yo timan we or yage Wodo because that name is a bad name. Only matter adulterous. And it need down. And I do Omomebo na me my and I those one tell don't trust about is going to spoil our image forever. Wherever no G. So okay can my hair from Otun and at David. May I try to tell any man Mr. Jerry.
Everywhere Jack went on my way matter and what na what I see kedwadi because we have ya wo gbe ni papa go gbe ana lobby ana si obi e yo pan me ya try to invite because our ya we ko na mo boru we ni wa re me kabo wa bere we for long time me kabo mu boy participate ya be ki social media na video you understand me man because number 2 when we phone in there iyo wa no wa kewa ni swala ni wata because
my brother wa my phone ne o kan na we do talk but before they go who try no tie
worry ni ka go an before ya di gwa le
don't priest hello
I greet you mudare madam uke go Esther otie Omomebo no dion ojo me no tamuwa zege go my brother
on a secondly on you only find out because in their family where you name me mumo you only matter no because me mind no so no in your have start the social media where or tell me no we ya ge iye me na ya mudia never webo oki mudia na webo no we e boni odo iye me because o tell me that also even now water or seven they know no more tani in a way. Call not no joy, call it be we nothing like that. but you only tie even Aiku na you dey tie you won't know ya. So you only find that you only hear matter. Imagine anybody but you only matter because all you know me more my matter no.
Okay. We're Bena. Sis one we matter. We are in conversation. We are listening one. Call. Okay. Mrs. Jerry Dumagwan.
Hello, pardon, please, it's well.
Yo.
So I greet I greet everybody.
Okay.
Pardon, please, when women were platform me, all that female yirig be me or saga we are so when you say we are tinyokin. So na mobile one even platform me. So who get many ya explain even ya is soon way.
I
Because
beg,
platform
maybe use Benite talk or English because
okay, make I use no na your platform. Tell me if na pidgin English.
Because most fancy maybe a dog ballet maybe
Utamave ni
use
aloha.
English explain even because if
Okay, I dey tell brother Don Prince.
Mama,
He
wait.
don't say.
Mama, wait 1 minute. People they talk and say now you go your platform, go the saga, Omomebo and all those things. So I want me to talk everything will happen. So more yeah.
Okay. So brother Don Prince, you know say me I get my platform. You get your own. But just that say my husband family now wetin they talk na me take they do something because he may respect a family one. If not this matter since I for dusty fall out. So see how it stay happen. No. One day I dey sleep. My husband say he no wake me. Then the next day my husband come dey tell me say Franvito carry Omomebo come out o. Now I come say wetin happen? Now I come say he still tire o. Then the next day again, Franvito come still carry Omomebo picture come outside. Mama Aiku get that picture wey be say Omomebo dey husband house. Even we never know wetin dey happen. You understand? Where that picture fall outside. You understand? Because me now as a married woman, I know if you go they play with me wey no marry me or now only when I never marry now if you play that kind of play. They come they follow Omomebo they play they use and they press the breast. E dey for video, e dey for picture. I feel send that come for
Understand? People carry the picture have been a video.
Video and picture e dey. Mama
And
Aiku get am.
inside the video, who can they press Omomebo breast?
Two men.
Now real video have been
Na real video ask Mama Aiku. Mama Aiku dey there na TikTok video. E come dey that they come dey use am dey press
the original video.
Original video dey. So make I explain finish. Let me just talk because I get my platform, but I just want respect to you because of my husband. You understand? My husband get big respect for you. So why I did can't explain everything. I want to start am from the beginning. So that video can't come out. We never know wetin dey go on. Even my husband no know. Now for beer parlor, where my husband can't go. Now they come tell my husband say your husband, your brother, his wife, see wetin he do now. So he can't call his brother. So make I forget that one. So one day we just dey my husband come for us. I say they say Omomebo see wetin dey happen for bed or whatever. Now beer parlor night for year. So that day, after that day, my husband brother can't call my husband. He come tell am say Omomebo don pursue his brother comot for house. The thing can't do my husband boy. You understand? Like seriously, ask where you don't buy before you marry. You understand me? That my husband can't carry phone, he can't call Omomebo. This time we not get quarrel, we not get problem. We not even they call now once in a while, once in a year, self that we take the talk. You understand? So now my husband can't call Omomebo say.
I'm gonna let her talk. Man, I know it's sort of. Why is something coming?
Now Omomebo they use fake account take the comment. No,
talk.
On the rest now, may you let me talk. Shall I let you talk?
Wait, talk.
Let me talk. So now I can't say now my husband can't call Omomebo say why you drive my husband? Wait till they happen. Now Omomebo can't say no, my husband can't tell Omomebo I did that, not feel like. Now my husband can't tell Omomebo say, so you not fear you drive my brother come up for house. Now Omomebo say, why my husband they talk like that? You where you dey Europe. He can't disrespect my husband, he can't cut for my husband head. You understand? So now my husband can't cut for my husband can't they men. Now can't say, oh no, not do like this. If two people dey quarrel, if the third person come, you go settle the matter. Me, I go call Omomebo. Now my husband come say, no worry, you know wetin go happen. May you call Omomebo. So now I come call Omomebo. Omomebo come say, you know your like wetin my husband dey do. Yeah, you know your like am. Now he wear shoe. Now he no wear for the pain now. Now so David do one. Now so David, now, you know see the way I tell they talk now. Now so David do now so now I come say, okay, may you tell me wetin David do you. Because David don't tell me. You not tell me.
Wait, now Omomebo you dey ask, now me tell wetin David do abi.
Wetin happen? Because he don already cut phone. Even if David not tell us, Omomebo not tell us. Na beer parlor na my husband for here wetin dey happen for Belgium.
Yeah.
I don't know what. No, I don't know whether you understand what I dey try talk.
Yeah, I dey understand.
So Omomebo come call phone for my husband head. Let me come call Omomebo back. Say wetin happen, but you for not cut phone for my husband head. You understand? Now he come to say the way I take talk, so he really like and he appreciate. And I record that. She said make I record that. Omomebo also record that. But now because of say my phone I be blogger, no space, now make me delete am. Omomebo get the record, make play am. If na line, now be wetin I dey talk. Omomebo say make I record that, make she still record that. Omomebo go still get the record. So as I was saying, Omomebo come say, okay, in your like the way I tell you, me be woman, me no know tomorrow now whether me and my husband, all those kind of, we be woman supporting woman. So now come listen to Omomebo, she come explain everything. Wetin a part do or wetin he not do, I can't talk everything. He can't even put fear for my body. A part don't priest. I don't want to explain everything. Finish. I don't want to cut am because it go too long. Okay. So let me come start to dey beg Omomebo say, if na true wetin you dey talk, say I beg. I know I make my husband brother go prison, I beg. Make we talk this matter for his house. Go carry this matter come from. And wetin I dey talk so, if I like, make wetin I come find for this life, make I not see am. Everything I don't ever work for, may I lose all of them. If na life be wetin I dey talk so, then I come dey beg Omomebo. After I don't give her time, make she take explain everything. I know they go details. You understand? If you want really know details, go Monica video where Omomebo go pay Monica. Go pay Monica, make Monica saga, my husband, brother.
Wait. Which Monica go better?
Go better. Yes, he go pay.
Omomebo
yes,
go pay.
now.
Wait. Omomebo go pay go better. Make the saga you.
Make saga us. Yeah. And the saga us. Everything.
How you tell us Omomebo go pay?
I watched the video now. He thought say he go tell Monica may beat us enter house. Now we can see the matter come over. I say we dey use truth. They beat her. Monica can't run. Monica not come fit cover the matter. Me I dey tell you, don't bring you na my brother, my husband brother. I don't know as American so let me just talk that one. Make I tell you today, me and your matter and my husband they drag me.
Me and you get matter, I go bring you call you talk. May you forget our matter.
So me and you tell you now, may you for no. Omomebo go pay Monica go better. He go pay her. So Monica come dey saga us, but make I start from the time where be say me and Omomebo take talk. Me I come dey beg Omomebo say I beg me go carry the matter come for police because Omomebo talk say my husband brother pour out water. Now so you know they give her food. Now so they give her expire many things they wey tell me can't get to the beggar. Say I beg we go settle this matter. Omomebo to the extent say I beg Omomebo come tell me say now you give me to David. He not be my mate. As he talk to me I can't tell her say you forget say I be social media person. I'll saga you. The Omomebo can go call my husband's sisters. Tell them say Esther say one carry and come outside. Let me come tell those ones say now lie I not carry no say anything concerning my husband family and my family. I know they bring her on social media. But I just use and tell them because I don't beg her, I not green. Then make me tell her say I go carry you come out. Then I can't get to when my husband people can't call me. I can't get to call Omomebo say na joke I dey. I not go carry you come out. Anything will concern my husband family, if I lie, if you know that, I say, yeah, sir. You understand me? Imana Toge. When Omomebo my be able to give me more pure ya. It's here, but no,
Cause
no,
explain what
no.
happened.
Now they explain now.
No, everybody believe
No,
you.
not at all. They believe me. Then they now come talk say, Omomebo come cut phone for my head. After I don't beg and no green. Now I can't rest too. My brother. Meanwhile, my girlfriend wey dey Germany for here can't do party. After that issue, we can't rest. You understand? We can't dey wait for waiting one sup. Meanwhile, this time when we dey talk, so Omomebo don drive my husband brother comot for house. So even shame not let my husband brother tell us. He still dey hide something for us. You understand? So he don already drive my husband brother comot for house. That one not dey house again. This time we dey talk so because police he lie to police say he pour her hot water. He say he wan kill her. He remove his head. He do everything. Even she send all the proof go give Frank Victor. Frank Victor even play her for a platform. This thing wey that they talk so. You understand? He said everything. The same way where they pack everything go give Frank Victor. Now the same way they pack and give police. So police can't drive my husband brother come up for us. So we can't jail. We can't they pray.
Now, Omomebo and Fravito, they be friends now.
Yes.
Okay.
So listen now. Make I explain to you. So as I was saying, then the whole matter can't die like that. We can't they wait. Since I don't beg her as a wife, you know now, I go always beg me they settle. Because if I join Omomebo, my husband people they'll come for me. If I join Omomebo go come for me. Thank God say now Omomebo na even drop phone for my head, cost me say now you use me no David, where I can't beg and say make he rest for the matter. You understand? So then we can't rest too. Then after 1 month or 2 months, my good friend, can't do party for Germany. Omomebo can't come the party. Omomebo can't see me. You wait me at the beg, make it rest for matter. You don't say me and you go marry for there. You can't meet me. I don't marry like 6 or 7 years before they marry you come. So marry well away my working.
Yeah.
You understand me? So what is she supposed to do? As she see me, she's supposed to greet me because I call to make peace. I'm not go join you, I'm not go join a pa. Now me you go bring matter come. My brother, if I wrong, tell me say I wrong for this matter, brother. Brother, don't please so. Now what I tell them, Omomebo, me I pa never talk. We not even talk this time, oh. Then we come see Omomebo come see us for party. He not greet us. You see my husband, he not greet us. He not greet my husband. Now I call tell my husband, say, your brother wife dey here. Oh. Now I say, dey. Now I say, go see him. Now I say, okay, he not greet you. Now my husband, me cause it say he not greet, we can't see bone each other, we can't pass. Then after that party, that our sister-in-law, when she call talk, say me want Sagara and say she no rest. Go bring the matter come for police station. Me, I can't call that one. I can't tell and say, see oh, Omomebo talk. Omomebo see us, he not greet us. Because we tell her, see what my husband tell her and say, why you drive your brother come up for us? Me, I can't tell her and say, bring the matter, come on, settle this matter. Now husband and wife matter, you understand? That one cut us, he don't tire for Omomebo too. He no want rest. The way they take this matter. But why brother go pour out water? Now I say, me no know. I be try to talk to them, oh beggar, no marriage good. Make they try settle this matter. We can't rest. Then we call the bone each other. You understand? We not fair kukuma de decency. You understand what they try talk. Then one woman can't do party for what they call her for Holland. We can't go. What they call this woman Adesagbon. We can't go that party. We can't see her there. She can't wear one gown. Can't pack her breast for her side.
That is Omomebo so.
Yes, like how they find customer. She come back and
everybody get her to dress. No,
wait, now Mo talk the matter the way Bimo talk everything. So she come back her breast like who they find customer. Because if now you and your husband go there, if you pack your breast for your husband, because that time they never divorce. She only carry the husband go police station. But don't please not do bias for your platform because now true.
Me never even talk. I just dey ask question.
Because what you dey
say
talk?
you back breath. Whoa.
So she come pack breast. Me, I see her not talk. Nobody talk. You understand? Then me, I call the dance for that party. She dey dance. We know they talk to each other. Then the next thing, me go dey dance with my fans and my followers. We really enjoy that party. At the end of the day, now she dey use fake account dey write, so but no wahala. We not dey quarrel put. So okay, make I forget fake account. No worry. Okay. So at the end of the day, my brother, me, I go dey dance with my fans before I come back because my fans really show me love for that party. God go bless all of them. So at the end of the day, before me go meet my husband come tell me say, Omomebo come meet am o. You dey hear me?
Yeah, they hear you.
He said, Omomebo come meet am. He come sit down for a lap, come dey hold am say, la go go that for me forgive him, eh? La go go, la o. Ma bege we party ni makajo ni. That is that my friend party. He say he no see am. You understand? That because they tell my husband say, now so you small, now so me small, you not serious. We not get problem with her. We only your talk say make she try, make she for wait only let me talk. Make she try, make she just settle this matter. Make we don't even know say my husband brother no even pour out hot water. My brother, we don't know.
Okay.
You understand? So at the end of the day, he can't beg my husband. My husband can't say, okay, don't rest. You know, they get problem with him again. Everything done good. Then we can't drive from Holland, come Germany back. We can't rest. Everything can't settle like that. Then the next thing, they can't go court again. Instead of Omomebo to take us say, now husband and wife matter, he see insist. So they can't cut another court date. They can't cut another court date for my husband brother. Say if he come for the second court date, he go 2 years prison and he go pay €200 fine.
That means for that auto we pour for a body, abi?
I know if you pour out, I don't know whether you understand.
For you, not poor, but the way the waiting Omomebo go tell.
And I lie. You understand? Not be said for me, but the beginning where Omomebo talk, I be believe and let me come the beggar. Then when we come talk to my husband brother say he will just spend years for abroad. Why he go poor somebody? He want go prison. Say God forbid he not do one. He can't explain to us how it happen. Say Omomebo na person wey be say call the cash where even eat a day go see say the fico. Now make can go the boy to tap for. You know that rubber now. I don't know what they call it. Even the day wey be say the Omomebo even the day wey the auto tap for Omomebo body. Now even help am treat and do everything. What she said my husband brother he video on that day. You understand? Now he care for her, do everything. You know, but Omomebo come make us believe say he do because we got the fear. We go say okay, I beg, make him forgive your husband. We don't know say Omomebo lie. So now the video where my husband brother do that day, where the thing happen, where they take off for everything. After Omomebo don't lie, do everything to police, they don't drive my husband brother come up for house. Now the video that can rescue my husband brother for police station. Say he no one, no two. My husband brother can't win the case. Now we can't dance. Even before then, where be say before they go court, why can't they saga Omomebo? Omomebo carry our matter go give Monica. Monica can't they saga me with lies. Monica can't they join Omomebo.
You even talk of Fravito say we dey look for a friend.
Wait now. He even tell Fravito say we dey look for a friend. You where you dey Belgium, me dey Germany. As we want to do friendship. Now only person where dey Germany here now fit do friendship with. Person where dey another country we not fit do friendship because where now person where they talk say mo God go you know now that one I be friendship. He can't lie. So that one apart, they can't go give Monica my matter. Say because me come outside because why I vex everybody if now you yourself you still vex. You somebody will can't lie for your heads. Your brother wife can't no say he lie. And the lie where he lied now to go police station, maybe go 2 years for how many years? Your brother can't talk the truth. And I can't really know say not true. I can't join my husband brother, I can't the saga. Then he say, wait first. Okay, I be don't forget. So you know why I started the Sagara? Make
No.
I be don't forget that part. My husband don't remember me.
I don't know
He
why you
can't,
got the Sagara.
he can't go they talk, tell people say na me carry account social media. Meanwhile, na from Victor platform I will foresee am. He can't go they tell my husband people say na me carry and go give from Victor. Say she want go carry Ojuju come for me. Let me come and come start to the Sagara. I can't tell her say me go bring Ojuju because that the same way when she see her for social media, na the same way when me see her. And I can't see her say see her ite and Fravito take start to the Sagara. Fravito start to the Sagara because of the way she take pack breast. Say where your husband? I know your husband not there yet. See the way man take hold your breast, pack your breast, and also the video where man cut the press his breast. I'll send that to you personally. Give me your number, Don Prince. I go send that for you. So that video, they can't still send that for me. They can't still send that for me. The way man cut the press or Omomebo breast for inside that video. Then that made me come out. Now I call the time. Hello.
They say man
That
remove
made me
Jerry.
come. You don't hear what I talk.
They say they restrict you. They say man remove you. Why?
I know they okay. Make I they use it. Do they talk now?
Yeah, but use it to talk. Continue to see man remove you. Use it talk.
Now make the us here in another mame. So another we mo yamune from Victor. In a way ne ya tie bo. In a way no yamu ebore. In a way no do tie bo yo. They give me ogele muge from Victor. My husband only call it that platform because he wear I'm waiting short in ladia. My husband did not call because of Omomebo. My husband only called because of Fran Victor. Tell Fran Victor say why you dey saga my brother. The video still there. Where the thing they happen, I fit still share am for you. May you for listen to that. May you for know how the whole matter take happen.
My lady, na money I cut for your mouth. But inside this the way you don't talk so. Your brother, your husband brother, he not tell you one day say Omomebo go sleep with another person.
He say, listen, he say he carry and go his ex-boyfriend hotel, he not tell her. That one na abomination. Because even if you want to go do one for your ex-boyfriend hotel, you know wait, you not be nima o. Why we be about now say go no. You not be nima. Even if you get contact with your like me, my ex, I block all of them. I don't get their contact. I don't get what they use them do.
Now question I ask you.
Yes.
Not tell me the problem where the thing they pass through. We know.
Okay. He tell me because I hear and where I thought the saga Omomebo say Omomebo friends where two of them gather they do Olosho. Say that one talk say Omomebo go sleep with another man. Omomebo can say he not do one. The way they see and say they because they always they leave the husband, they go party from different country with his husband. So that his friend can go tell his husband say he they cheat for husband house.
Okay. Omomebo friend can go tell Omomebo husband and say this your wife the shit. Okay, now Omomebo friend go tell the husband.
Yeah. Now Omomebo can talk say he not go fit go house, but his mama go swear for her. Swear for the matter.
I know. Now she be Omomebo now this lady.
Now she. So now your husband.
Let meet yourself first. Not vessel. You are welcome.
So now your husband come talk say see what your friend talk oh. Then he husband can't tell Omomebo. Now Omomebo mama go swear for Omomebo say he pikin not the she are not there now when this saga don't come and they come they talk at the end of the day mama Omomebo come back. So now the matter where would they do the saga they can't carry the matter come out. You understand? So that be Don Prince my brother before you start to the ask Omomebo question. Tell Omomebo may swear say what I they talk for the beginning as we tell you the matter as I take all if I lie.
Now wait. because I don't know
They
that she
take
did.
side though. Now make some people platform not they grow. You talk at the way true be. Because
Mr.
no,
Why
more they
people
talk true.
Mudia,
Your
Mudia,
safety
Esther,
entertainment you swear.
Esther, Mudia, don't please.
To
Pardon,
eti
please.
sagawe, but you
Pardon,
respect even
please.
who you respect well.
Pardon,
Yeah,
please.
go on.
Mama, on my said Tony where Mr. Ikuka posting Mr. Jerry, beg you know how we're going about I respect it. What my go when they accuse me.
Okay.
When they be bomb there. Woman understand what begging me see.
Imam tie bon, imam accuse you because me tie bon your brother. They not my brother. Di mo ka me no egwe. No ya beg, no ya mwesu ajo wana settle brother no emeni.
My phone hour.
Okay.
Hello.
Mr. Baby wait. My leader, ubere we oha amate bonela atmota. O ma no judge. Una judge me. Wo hia we judging we judging. E ma hia gwan even weta. Wo hia ri asan egbo wo hia ata me ma hia judge matter we. Wo ma asan me na we ado ata me ma. O to we control ma.
My brother, that we had to control wherever the
because of our matter when you did bias, you don't know why you're mad at George.
Because what the kaya gwan.
My brother, when you were
more when I tell Omomebo na, it meant you only hear from Omomebo. My leader. Oh, why name is Sunda? I thank God now of na day now. So I want my year for everybody mad. On the only person we not there now, that be Mr. David.
My partner of it here, bro, because Kabila can't tell now. Rudolph me ya arriva na. What ya my brother never went to go no ma. Rudolph ya arriva na. E matana ya fe. Imega imagine be mo be buta agu mo mu ya social media, but kedwa de ma nido fia koda o. Nido si koda o amia wo ya mo ebogun we boyen ga. When me waje na you so pika ehin since almost 30 something years. You fair we bo you fair Nigeria. But ima when imeje ya won no ma mo wa area.
We no ma me bo de wo.
Ima we kenina we ya be mi ku ekeno we na mu we na so amo we. The priest when he come out now. Hello. Ekene the priest when he ta.
No time my brother we do tama.
When you react now ya my brother ekene ni mena do aje wi na do aje wi mo kere. Bene ma tana wa ateje imame ke na we mi am be mi teku my brother but ke no na re platform mi nwa ona re platform e Frankie ona ya atie bo mo na ona o mo te gbo to ma we dame o ona wi je me wona je me we me je me ki ona mo piche me e piche je me no kwala dia ona we ta women or what we men not obi obo ka steps on the talk be me wa
Omomebo tenana bi
Atana ana muge monika na yata ma we mujana meti we ma ona pa ona ya ka owe eri o we steps on me ri ogbe me wa mi anwanyo ne eri oteme yo yi beji o maka me ile ni arowa but when I tell you when I tell you ku no ti o ma ri eri but omo mo be me no damn en ni amu na respect o ma. Okay, no try. Respect on my bro.
Master Jerry, mommy go fair on the beg grievances way, beg grievances over. So now in all these things, apart from where Omomebo ya we party hotel okay. Apart from that one, you already run one. That mean we Omomebo ya Omomebo go road.
Amaka me mereba me gwe mu me wo ga ebe.
Gumea soni pa. Epa, ton prise, wa ma bagbon. E video yare man, na asin rokaroma. Chope pa Jerry Mudia. Mena, so long we David maladian. Wo Omomebo kebe gbo ya mugo ne fan Victor ne na azol le family me ya ladian. Donc please, donc primade emena isunu E sana relizike na. Oriti me. Ona taloma we ni mi ya sunu. Beno ya taloma me dobe ya taloban. Iga ila platform oboke Jerry iwe. Imayaji. Iya we masunu. Idiga ata.
That means umajaji we Omomebo ya.
Ina because elizike ri gume gwane.
Mena do have every platform nirijo. Iwe from a reliable source. Inya womage. Ege no doye ma gume gwa o.
Okay.
O dafi gume gwa ne meke do mwe pishin la da platform me.
Okay.
Lizike o te deme na yone. On me bona wa saladian. On a rien platform Monica. On a ya tale mi ya fe on ya bodo on a ya rien platform ou menwa. Mi ya fe Omomebo na tale ya ma menwa. Ou menwa na de platform ou menwa ma yi me recording ou menwa na do tale ya ma me. Kede ya fe bona. Ina e mwe David Ivere mana de pa David Ivere mana na. Ina e pa David pa. Gave no menwa ta. Ona we ye ma o oni no tu en no ba. Ige agika inagi accuse ne wo ge. Then dame ho ideni pe. We to bu work pe because me ve yagi weni.
Okay, mi ga ni ke pe. When wa ya fe gwansin, am Omomebo ma eternity. So, you only wa ya be mute. Na be carry go Omomebo gwane, na be no, na be
Yon negbe na, yon negbe.
my sister is been we meet inside the way.
Donc plus ya platform we no ka platform on la we mi comme appointment ya mi on yo no la won e worry yo you ale no.
Mr. Jerry, Mr. David, omanado gun ya saga o, egwe o.
My brother, let's say David 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 mama mo dey social media.
Ouais, c'est pas David ya. Mi no Omomebo do sabe media.
David.
Ya na uko.
No, social media. Otame mi no otame social media me what am
now.
Because you know, as I'm saying now, you only matter the Aiku.
David Omomebo ya we try
David ni gu egwa la wa muja 1 minute bi gwa. My brother,
Mr. Jerry, we make we ba we be again we agwa. Another 30 minutes.
I'm back 2 minutes ga gwa muja 2 minutes ga gwa brother Otame when you only tell my brother it matter na ya fe Otame ma egwa social media maybe when what time go Africa shop maybe mama Aiku na Africa shop boy obo kan go boy genigije oriomu ya rie nini mi lomu erio ya sunu Otame ma wa to wa boy wa ya asaga yi talo me be mi ya no wu mama na we ide rio na mba wu obo ki me mama Aiku ka lele support mara we sagana before you kedo we gba you kedo won we pado tami yen we ipama wa Buhari wa ona le phone e pa tami we gemi no sunu o ge mama ya mama mate be mama na wo pe ni e so do ni se
Mama,
where's
say la mute side work now we want to hear from the horses mouth.
Mutane, where worry, everywhere good.
Mute side work. So let's hear from the horses mouth. Mrs. Aiku, Mrs. Omomebo la mute side work. Omomebo la mute side work.
Baba wato.
Koyo.
Gwani.
La lika gwegwa, e platform e sugusugu na kina. Yenge first time ya la na ni. Ato ge ma la o. When you guys, when me ya sumuda we, no me wo wodo, nye na isi we kya lege. I want you to explain like to I tell you mentally do gwanya we. Do e bude no ya gwa.
Anyone go sa lu ebonu there ash west so.
Oko lu edo, no ma edo, go for Bini person me you marry. If you know say not the year Bini, go look for Bini man or Bini woman me you marry. Me teach you Bini. So my fault.
That for you do no, me have a tough I'm giving you.
So Lady Omomebo. Then me ya sunu no mie wo wodo na na ga si we lege u temata ke una be riabe temata atoge wa o
baba ya emena eme no de emena since last year no understand yeah. Just where fine Esther wodo yege hello
ai wa o yan zege gwan ya jegbe zege gwan yo
when you feel we offending ya, it may feel when you we offending me. Understand because you where I want for. What's no? Esther Ladian. Esther te wa ya go cow. Thank you. Hello. What?
Okay.
Esther te wa ya go cow. but last Esther Magi ya. Ona do turn against him. Esther Martin Martin no way. O you remember na we no wa ladiame. Esther ya ladiame. Esther Mike neme irie. Gelegele, Jerry Tieme, Vezon Asun. And the next one Asun, the police move David in Wari. The next day, Jerry Tieme. Yes. Again, Egbimi ya ye nyon. I'm your kona here when no matter anything, Okpe Jerry be mo wa. No ya mo dova wo kan we wa. Baba wa dame yo mena.
Wow.
No ya do mo dova wo kan we wa.
That means our way, almost buwe ajowa.
Yes, on every way, then say the picture, the video even go viral for social media. Who gets me? Odo Boria or my keke. Inwe egezo ejena or mo. What's the eme or we fear by no ma? Gele or kaka way I fear by no ma. Again, my man on me be. If you give a marry any or make me, in the right, they have seen anybody in your favor because any measure. If no why you make go one him by what you like.
Our way, I wife no ma.
Yes, in no time before I came marry. Yet it do more a bad now where or makata ma making or more. Understand? Or time but the man is there like that. So after my marriage, so me girl pa it's one very boss relation but no man we bed okay. Ma we there you know what live I never plan man live there you so going out to accompany we are the man may take away mukba and most things in the wa uni you know we are so that if I never even go here me be mo ari wa so we munya le 2 days or 1 day say ke so ale like say na to complain but any complain okay worry ya le fried rice with the other Sunday ya ze go ona we gele ina ze ge guy now igi ze ne so mo that me to tamari right even before then make that's my case marry right me where you dey the boy now read by anyway you feel any like gbe where take I bring fried rice for you me now what that me beg in me me right so me wa always talk o wa sia ogba bo sunu o sia ogba iwa ge already yen we no bi omu ko bi ya mu iyen egwe oge ene wa kian pa si aye ina are like with us me na tell me obi o se no wu in Paris when my ya dey do this go ni there e money so me go see okpa me obi Kenya na wa lawe shop oni gi lawe shop bi o wa so ni o wa do mu ebi la do we yan mu ebi yin yan mu ebi no we ma mi egbo ede o na o igbine wa do gbo emi na o na fun ebi ni yan mu gbo ina eni yan wa re oge bookkeeper yin the next day yin ya no which is commercialista yan ti Italy yin ya ne emi na ebi na ini o igbe yi give no ya o because iyo no mo ye de o no the real this of like it because he like me wa there he like not see sad understand he must to try when he come down you know we are being there we not increase the salary well we don't get pay because igba for you reject me the total you know it's a me we lare here we dey reject because income no submit or poor gbe wetin worry be no who declare €500 every month. And from 2000 plus, every government go along. You know, something where Oga would be very only. Ipa, every salary, he married, but this one will be divorceable. Ya, so say nationality, you perane. If you many marry, no, they have nationality more, but they no can marry. But then we don't have to, man. You might see follow a bene up. Maybe or more, you know what? Maybe no, they be no increase. You know. Onye te fime de munu we o madenu doni no ni go ya hae ni o make no re make na photo so dey igbe mana wa video we mana do ari e dai e dey igbe na do he na do ari o ge bookkeeper o ge so ge bookkeeper o ya control the bill na bookkeeper na my way maybe logi motor like you no cost any motor or road insurance or all those kind of things because motor dey we book maybe ni ya we no e na wo sawo se ge e oh, you're the guy now. The Muslim any buy, but talk about you buy. Put another la wisdom. Or with my own, I'll draw me some with any. Someone eat time. Someone do this. I'll draw and arrange. S was not the making no. Why? Because marriage divorce process. That's one la no. Another time away where. Another time the boy where. Yeah, I tell me madam no see good. na we mema sise ni was ya gba the boy wala dia na owe you go fit kill me o any watama we na never I go fit kill you ya o eri sise ni boy na mata mi yen ene ba mu ni ifie ba no ma mi hana me ti buwewa ni na ka bo wa so shi ne because nye me no bu ni pass through mo rugwe mo gbe bata mo ete no fiame ejeri ovije no eti no ovije wetin won so ko no ri ejo wa ovije na get start jerry na o ti jeri opati do laje won yan jerry na ya fo ni ya ga ojo bo kan kian won ese eri esta be ojo da fo kian me won ese ovije understand ina na ka bo wa balo mi gba ba mi fi ra e no wa ono fear na wa imo wa ni ke pe wa the time we ask say give boy na ona where now you know this one where you suffer for the side drive even you go give person so you still can't really pay me I can't just still look around and I still work with her for the shop you look like Larry so my home so where you so the boy so where you on a home before mama me no baby mama malizike de by famo pa pa na do tie we e mu sana e sa ale boss naga on emma of fish ni ege egbiro ni sunu just why ya worry me Adema umare ne imuigojo wo ividiera David Yvonne understand so
we have vidi to ere wo wa de
we
we have vidi
before ma ke marry bi yan si mi ariye kini na yawo ni mi ogwe yan kian we na no ge yan wo ni the side there ogijin yen that is which is so we right I'm not working with any ma kian bi ye eri ya kuku mana ya lo ye ba ni again mama e marry ye e te yin ge gbe malera bu ko ni yen wa ti e bo ya ni we ya to fe bo aba bo ke ti won ya even ti yen no pe no ri ko fana we aka be we na ya ka be yen ya we na ine you know ona we that ya we e me na be ne ma na we me marry me yen gugu we gbe ki deni ana ona we ni la wo ni ye ko ya mu yen o we nu te mi no ka sunu da yen iga toge ede no hu na obege no pia ogunu de no kasu no da yen then meje ileke iwe mo and anything like all those kind of things eri me o e ko like understand me then me e ti fe gbogbo ni ya yen ma na egbe ni ma ya mare o ma pere ma na o pia ni me ya fun aloye kinye o pia ri aloye ji mewe understand so then ma ya na wo kiri wa mu ji ma na egbe eri ya we na je nenu la me ina jene imaka mi bijene ijene yiragun imata la ko siyan le no ma fe ke no just how you build a trust in me egbe ina we ni mama se mana are so to accuse me because emi ni yewu o fi go ma be ewu I still know so ko nu rie ma wo gba lo vie ma wo gba pa bo vie ma are shop who see me at the shop who wa ya tell me na the shop who control ko who mo are bed ni ma wo gba vie wo wa who ya hu yan.
okay again ya wo ni na we are shop yen bo kwari wa
yes ya restore even the ya Nigeria sef ya re e we do 28 inches me na guvu wo wa ina we ya mu me to wo wa cause to ni me mu eyu we cause ma bo paro wa o ma ro pa stake ma bo pa wa re ninu wa ya mu me 28 inches is a betun one na betun drop pay because it's a muri Nigeria ga mo say ma say o ma de ye ni ya gwa lo ina se we are yeah, if you anything, then if you any job, maybe where or 1 moment. The man show any query on my 10 cents or 50 cents. Understand? Here you book kind, and we will not cost any go ye. Understanding me? Maybe normal with my referee all the hair, bad work could be all those kind of folk. When it's no cost any wawa, if you can't win. You know, we are moving 28 inches. You wanna the way the man just stand on that game. You know what we were, Oma. Maybe do I give you any hope because I know say if the canning is born any, we get a point in there. All the people if you are one look moment, you mean the man get a man was your one in my boy barrier or why I was Charlotte. At least, who never many years away where the richest man be bad job. But here is 70 or 80 on Yamuquario, say. Maybe I'm on one sick because in your life in there. Understand me? Every year do I 50 way you that for me you go ya wa wono na o don't see you dey hear ne you dey get my point even she make big ya mo pa ko ni ya me You may not understand. I don't too see. If you maybe I swear anywhere I live, mom or the wild in my feel that you're fire.
Yeah, agree. Omo we fear you no. What concern where we were in Aiku?
One of my